The McLaren 720S isn't just another supercar, it's a revolutionary blend of speed, intelligence, and British engineering excellence. On Ride Vibes, we take you deep into the heart of this machine that redefines what a performance car can be. At first glance, the 720S stuns with its futuristic design. Its sleek, sculpted body and signature dihedral doors give it an otherworldly presence, all crafted with aerodynamic efficiency in mind. Under the hood, the beast roars to life with a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing a staggering 710 horsepower and 770 Nm of torque. This translates into mind-blowing performance, 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.9 seconds, and a top speed of 341 km/h. But the McLaren 720S is more than just numbers. Step inside the cockpit and you're greeted by a driver-focused interior that blends minimalism with cutting-edge technology. The digital dash flips to reveal a slim performance display in track mode, putting essential data right where it matters most. McLaren's monocage 2 carbon fiber chassis makes the car incredibly light yet rigid, offering precise handling and exceptional control even at high speeds. With proactive chassis control and active aerodynamics, every curve, every straight, and every stop becomes a masterclass in engineering brilliance. Whether on the track or the road, the McLaren 720S delivers an experience that's raw, refined, and exhilarating. It's not just a car, it's a statement of passion, power, and precision. For more thrilling reviews of the world's finest performance machines, stay locked into Ride Vibes, where speed meets soul.